Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make WDT tools made out of wine corks and some acupuncture needles. We need a wine cork, permanent marker, plier, acupuncture needle, some sharp knife. First we are going to cut end of wine cork. I like to do 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is design I got from Decent Espresso machine, and so far this one worked out pretty well. So now we just mark the wine cork, the the design we just designed it. We just mark it 4 pinpoints. So take your thick paper clip, bend it. I like to start the process first, not all the way, just a little way in. Just make the hole full section there, and followed by take the needle, just simply put that in place. So now you have a 4 different spot, the design. So we just made a design out of it. So this is what they look like. As you can see, make your own WDT tool is extremely simple, very effective. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful. See you guys next time.